Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can edit and customize the stroke settings for your objects and shapes in Affinity Designer. So let us get started. Head over to your design on Affinity and insert or place a shape. I will go with this one here. So what you want to do, guys, is you can, for example, change the stroke color here in the top left corner. That's the fill color button or icon next to it. That's the stroke color. So click into it and use that panel here to find your stroke color. You may also adjust the color opacity here by moving that slider. Use the color picker here or remove the stroke color by clicking into this button. So if you select the color, you may also navigate to this drop-down menu here. Click into it and this will give you access to the slider where you can adjust the stroke width. All right. And you can decrease it, for example. That's option number one. Option number two, guys, to navigate to the stroke color settings here to the right. Switch from color to stroke. And then here you may customize the stroke style, no line style, solid line, dotted line, interrupted line, dashed line, and so on and so forth. And again, the stroke width here, such as, or the same as here. So you can use that slider or enter the number here to the right. And then go through these settings below, like for example, set a start point or a start and end point, and so on and so forth. But the most important settings are here. The color are here in the top left corner, and here we got the stroke style, the stroke width. You may of course also navigate to the color tab here and switch between your fill color and your stroke color by clicking into it, or change there or switch between them like this, so that the stroke color will have the color of the fill and the fill color of the stroke color, and so on and so forth. And again, here at the bottom you will see the opacity slider, and that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.